Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. In this video, we will be seeing how you can run Python from anywhere in a system, and for that you need to add Python to the system path variable. So moving forward, let me show you the thing that you might be facing now. If I go to one of my files where I have a Python script over here and spawn a command prompt. Over here, if I type Python hello.py, I have a program hello. As you can see, it's showing Python is not recognized as internal or external command, which means the system cannot find the Python that you have installed in the computer. So for that, you need to add your Python installations path to the system variable. So for that, you need to go to the section where you have Python installed, search for P. Yes, Python 3.9. I have Python 3.9. Now you need to go to IDLE. This is the shell for Python execution. You can find the path over here in the open section, and over here top corner you can copy the path, this Python 39 and all this path. Just copy the path, and then you need to go to settings. Over here you can type system variable. It will show edit a system environment variables. Go to environment variables. Over here in the system variable tab, there's this path variable. Just click on this. Over here you can add the path that you copied over there. Now you can just move the path up and down based on the priority. Click on OK, and it's done. You can close it. You have to close this window, and let's spawn a CMD again. Now this time it should work. Like, you can run Python now from anywhere in the system. Python hello.py showing hello world. So as you can see, this is how you can add Python installation to a system variable and execute Python command from anywhere. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.